Today we will solve questions from that AIPMT and NEET previous year papers. And question number 67, that is from multiple choice, and remaining questions it is from practice paper. See question number 67 from multiple choice. A gaseous mixture was prepared by taking equal mole of CO and N2. CO and N2 equal mole. Equal moles of CO and N2 taken. If the total pressure of the mixture was found to be 1 atmosphere, P total equal to 1 atmosphere. Total pressure of the mixture equal to 1 atmosphere. The partial pressure of the nitrogen in the mixture is P of N2 in the mixture is. According to Dalton's law, see here they give already number of moles equal, then their mole fraction also equal, then we can write Pt equal to partial pressure of CO, partial pressure of N2. P total equal to partial pressure of CO, partial pressure of N2. Next, N of CO equal to N of N2. See this. N of CO equal to N of N2. Then we can write P of CO equal to P of N2. If moles are equal, partial pressure also equal. Therefore, in place of CO, in question they asked partial pressure of N2. Then I can write PCO equal to N2. Pn2. Pn2. Total pressure 1 atmosphere. Okay. And P of N2, 2P of N2. 1. Therefore, P of N2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5 atmospheres. So this was partial pressure of N2, total pressure here 1, and partial pressure of N2 here. Because of equal mole, yes, we get answer 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 equal to 1. Because of equal moles. Okay. So this is an important method to solve question on partial pressure. Next. Question number 68. Question number 68. Question number 68. 50 ml of each of gas A and B takes 150 and 200 seconds respectively for effusing through a pin under the similar conditions. If molecular mass of the gas B is 36, the molecular mass of gas A will be. You see here, effusion, diffusion, same. Therefore, rate of diffusion, based on the rate of diffusion, yes, we can solve this. Question number 68. Rate of diffusion inversely proportional to square root of their molecular masses or densities. Okay. And here density not given, and hence we consider M. Then rate of diffusion also equal to volume of gas diffused by time taken. Volume of gas diffused, because in this problem they give time and volume. Time and volume. Okay. So use this formula. V1 by P1 into, actually R1 by R2 equal to here. R1 by R2 equal to root of M2 by M1. Then R1 V1 by T1 into T2 by V1. Actually 1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2, T2 comes out. Equal to root M2 by M1. Yes, using this one, substitute the values, we get answer but important this formula and convert it and write the rate of diffusion formula V by T. Volume of gas diffused divided by volume of gas diffused, not velocity. In previous video I told it is velocity, not velocity, it is a volume of gas diffused. V by T. Okay. Now substitute the values. 50 ml each of A. See here. 50 ml each of A. A and B. Volume same. Sorry. T2 by V2. T2 by V2. Right. V1, V2 same value. Takes 150 and 200 seconds. 150 T1, 200 seconds T2 equal to square root of B means 2, B 36 by M1. Find out M1 over. So you simplify this, simplify and you get answer. So why you have tried a squaring, because on squaring this root can be removed. Okay, therefore on squaring, yes, 4 square by 3 square equal to 36 by m1. Therefore 4 square by 3 square equal to 3 square equal to 36 by m1. m1 equal to cross multiply. 3 3s are 9 into 36 by 4 4s are 16. Over. We get molecular mass. So answer 20.25 we get. 20.25 molecular mass. 20.25. But in all the options you can check 96, 128, 32, 64. Therefore answer none of this, but actual answer is this one. In any option this value not given, but actual value this one, 20.25. Okay. Then question number 69. Question number 69. Pressure exerted by 6.0 gram of methane gas in a 0.03 m³ vessel at 120 degrees Celsius is. They are asking pressure, but mass is given, volume is given, temperature is given. Yes. This we can solve by using the formula PV equal to nRT. PV equal to nRT. And P you can find out. P into volume given 0.03 and N is mole, but they give mass of the substance 6 gram of methane, 6 by 16. N is mole of methane, given mass 6 gram and molecular mass of methane is 16. Next into R value 8.314. 1 minute. 0.03 m³ they give, means SI unit. This is SI unit. If it is liter, here you write 0.082. If it is liter, okay. Then temperature given how much? Temperature 129 degrees Celsius. 129, 273. Therefore P equal to, so 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 and simplify this, we get P value. Its value 41648. 41648 Pascal. 41648 Pascal. But important formula and convert, there is a given mass into mole, right? And substitute the values, you get P value. Then one more question. Question number 70. Question number 70. A bubble of air is underwater. Bubble of air is underwater at temperature 15 degrees Celsius and pressure 1.5 bar. If the bubble rises to the surface where the temperature is 25 degree and pressure 1.0, what happened to the volume? Means they give two temperature, two pressure, and asking V. Therefore, again by combined gas equation we can write P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. Yes, using this formula you can find out P1 T1 P2 T2 given and relate to V2 V1 over P1 P2 T1 T2 given and relate these two V2 and V1. Now substitute P1 P2. First value 1.5 V1 by temperature 15 degree. Temperature 15 degree. 273 plus 15. 273. 290. 273 plus 15. 288. Right. P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 T2. P2 25 degree and pressure 1 V2 by 25 degree plus 273 298. 25 degree plus 273 298. Therefore, V2 equal to multiply these two, then divide it. Then V2 equal to see how many times V1. So V2 equal to answer 1.6 V1. Simplify this, multiply this one, divide by 288, we get 1.6. So answers means options. Volume will become greater by a factor of 1.6. Volume will become greater by 1.6. Then volume will become greater by a factor 1.1, 0.7, 2.5. Actually, we get answer 1.6. Therefore, answer 1. Next question on graph. Question number 75. Question number 75 based on the graph. Which of the following volume temperature plots represent the behavior of 1 mole of an ideal gas at 1 atmosphere? For ideal gas, PV equal to nRT. Ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. And 4 graphs are given. Graph, temperature in Kelvin, volume in liter, and straight line graph, and values 22.4, 273 K, and here point 36.8 liter, 373 K. This is given in option A. Same type option B, C, D. Now first we try with option A. See what happened. Using this, okay, pressure, volume. Okay. Now substitute this 373 and whether you get 36.8 or not, because why you are selecting this one? Option A 373K, option C and D 373K. First we try with this. If you don't get answer, then you can try with option B 273. But first we try with option A. This is option A. Okay. Now substitute 373 here and try to get volume. Therefore, pressure. They give pressure in question. Pressure is given 1 atmosphere. Pressure is given 1 atmosphere, and N is 1 mole. R value liter here. Volume in liters. Volume in liters 0.08. There is value of R in SI unit 8.314, and in liter atmosphere 0.082 into temperature. This is selected 373. Temperature 373 over, and multiply these two and we get 36.8. So this method applicable for first graph. If you get answer 28.6, you can take second option. 30.6. One second. When you multiply these two, we get actually 30.6. Multiply these two, 82 into this number, we get 306 something. And because of these three digit, after 3 digit, we get a point. So you get actually 30.6, but we are not getting 36.8. This is option A. But 30.6 given in option C. In option C, what 373 kg, 30.6, yeah. So option C is correct. In option A, C, D, 373 given, and option A 36.8, option C 30.6, option D 14.2. But all the three temperature same. Therefore, it matches with option C. So we take option C. Right. Then one more question. Question number 77. Question number 77. RMSV of 1 mole of monoatomic gas having molar mass m is URMS. The ratio between average kinetic energy of the gas and your RMSV. So they are asking URMSV. URMS. Root mean square velocity equal to root 3 RT by m. 3 RT by m. This RMSV formula, and they stated here you have to relate this one with KE formula. KE equal to E they give. In question they give KE equal to E equal to kinetic energy equal to 3 by 2 RT. 3 by 2 RT for 1 mole 3 by 2 RT, and for n mole 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 nRT. But for 1 mole of gas, KE equal to 3 by 2 RT. Then RT equal to, because substitute RT here, RT equal to 2E by 3. RT equal to 2E by 3. Now substitute here, URMS equal to root 3 into RT equal to 2E by 3 by m. 3 cancel. Root 2E by m. This is C. URMS. URMS equal to root 2E by m. 2E by m. Answer third. Third option correct. This started with what? RMS velocity formula, root 3 RT by m, and KE formula 3 by 2 RT. And substitute RT value in this equation. But KE equal to E given in question. KE equal to E. Next questions appeared in recent papers. There is 2019, 2018. At least 2 papers we can solve. See here. Questions from 2019 paper, last year paper. So only in a few years that back, 2-3% difficult, but 90% questions are easy on that states of matter. And almost all types of questions I covered and try to answer those based on the formulas and synopsis note. Okay. Question number 59, practice paper. Practice paper, question number 59. 59, 60, 61, 3 questions is appeared in what need. A gas at 350 K and 15 bar has a molar volume 20% smaller than for the ideal gas. Under the same conditions, the correct option about the gas and its compressibility factor Z is. They give Z is less than 1, more than 1, less than 1, more than 1, attractive force, repulsive force, etc. in options. And based on this, now we can write one formula. Compressibility factor formula Z equal to PV by RT. PV by RT. This is a compressibility factor. Compressibility factor formula. And one more formula Z equal to, yes, but here in this question they give temperature and pressure, but volume 20% smaller. Which one? 350 K, 15 bar means real gas. High pressure, low temperature. 15 bar, high pressure. 350 K, low temperature. High pressure, low temperature, real gas. Therefore, Vm real gas. Molar volume of real gas by Vm of ideal gas. Okay. Here first we write molar volume of real gas. Value found to be 20%, 20% less than this. Therefore, percent meaning 100. Then 20 by 100 to 2 by 10, 0.2. And 0.2 is less than 1. 0. Therefore, Z value less than 1. 0.2 is Z value, and Z value less than 1 we get. And if Z value is less than 1, then what it indicates? Intermolecular forces are more and gas can be easily liquefied. If more than 1, intermolecular forces are less, repulsive forces are more, and gas cannot be easily compressed. If Z equal to 1, then the gas is said to be ideal, right? Then you get a straight line graph in the graph. So answer first option, Z less than 1, okay, less than 1. And attractive forces are dominant. Attractive force dominant means gas can be compressed and that can be liquefied if Z value less than 1. It is a correct statement. So answer is 1. Next question, question number 60. Question number 60. In water, saturated air, the mole fraction of water vapor is 0.02. If the total pressure of the saturated air is 1.2 atmosphere, the partial pressure of dry air is, again they are asking partial pressure of dry air. Actually this is the formula, partial pressure of dry air equal to per mole fraction of dry air into total pressure. But you know the formula, XA plus XB equal to 1. Mole fraction of A and B equal to 1. This you studied in the solution topic second year. And a mole fraction of water and mole fraction of dry air. Then mole fraction of water is given 0.02. XB equal to 1. Therefore, XB equal to 1 minus 0.02, 0.98. Right. 0.98 is it. So this XB is nothing but the mole fraction of dry air. Or substitute this value 0.98 into total pressure 1.2, total pressure 1.2, then we get answer 1.176, 1.176. When you multiply these two, 1.176. This is the question. So answer is 1.176. That is option 3. Option 3. Next, 61. Now question you have to read very carefully. Which of the following equations does not represent? Means 3 equations are Charles law and one is not said to be Charles law. That you have to identify which is not said to be Charles law. Which of the following equations does not represent Charles law for a given mass of gas at constant pressure? So for Charles law, V proportional to T or V by T equal to constant K. When you apply log V minus log T equal to log K. And even differential equation also we can write. So first formula log V equal to log K plus log T, log K plus log T. Correct. Second formula, second option, V by T equal to K. Second option. Third option, again what differentiation, ln V by T equal to 1 by T. That is also true. But fourth option, log K equal to log V plus log T. Log V plus log T means option 4 is correct. Means that is a wrong statement. But all these are said to be correct statement for Charles law. So therefore answer 4. The last year paper, there is a 2018 paper. There are 2 questions. Both are theoretical, no problem. But again, think about the van der Waals constants A and B. For compression of gas or liquefaction of gas, I told A value, B value. For what compression or liquefaction of gas, A value should be high. Means intermolecular force must be more. And B indicate size of the molecules. If it is hydrocarbon molecule, size is more. Okay. Chlorine, bromine, size more, but intermolecular force is what? Higher. Now see the values about the van der Waals constant A. Given van der Waals constant for ammonia, S2, CO2 are respectively 4.17, 0.244, 1.36, 3.59. Which one of the following gases is most readily liquefied or most easily liquefied? Now I told, if value is high, intermolecular force value is higher, then it is said to be easily liquefied. Then here highest value for first NH3 4.17 and lowest value second one hydrogen. Highest value ammonia and lowest value hydrogen. Okay, therefore answer NH3 and cannot be compressed. Answer 2, there is a hydrogen. Okay. Then one more question, 58. Question number 58. The correction factor A to the ideal gas equation corresponds to. Correction factor A to the ideal gas equation means ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Real gas equation P plus A n square by V square V minus NB equal to nRT. But pressure correction for ideal gas equation PV, and instead of P, what you write for real, ideal to real, P plus A n square by V square. What A indicate? They are asking A. Density of the gas molecule, volume of the gas molecule, electric field, forces of attraction between the gas molecules. So answer 4, force of attraction. So this is in case of what? Question number 58. And 2017 paper. Question seems to be lengthy. Here seems to be lengthy. 53. But it is easy question based on the equilibrium. First you write equilibrium formula. Kp equal to product by reactant. Product partial pressure of SRO into partial pressure of CO2 by partial pressure of SrCO2. First you write Kp formula. But SRO and SrCO3 are solids, and their value found to be 1. Therefore, Kp equal to P of CO2, and Kp value given in the question at the end 1.6. P of CO2 over. Means indirectly they give partial pressure of CO2 and see what they are asking. Last, you have to find out 20 liter container, or 10 equilibrium. One second, you have to find out maximum pressure of CO2 1.6, and finally you have to find out V2. Maximum pressure of CO2, there is a 1.6 already we written here. P1 V1 equal to V2 V2, and find V2 because they give values. Pressure 0.4, 20, and second this one. So P1 value given 0.4 and 20, 0.4 into 20 equal to, and P2 value 1.6 into V2, 1.6 into V2. Therefore V2 equal to point cancel, then 4 to the 8, 80 by 16, therefore we get answer 5 liters. V2 equal to 5 liters. Right. So like this we can solve any number of questions, maybe from previous year paper or any from books, any CET books or NEET books. But base is same. All the formulas, laws you have to practice well, and whatever the ideal gas equation or real gas equation, P plus A n square by